Hi everyone, and welcome back to the series where we solve data problems in both SQL and Pandas. Today's challenge is to find the users with valid emails. A valid email must start with a letter and end with domain. Any special characters in the prefix other than the allowed ones automatically invalidate the email. Let's start with the SQL. In SQL, we'll first write the select statement. Since we need to display all three columns of the table, we write the star character. From table users, we need to filter the emails. First, we say that the mail should start with a letter and end with a domain. The domain is leetcode.com. If we run the query, we show one extra email where we have a character which is invalid. Now we block the invalid characters. The condition for that is AND operator, and now we have to calculate the first part of the email. We take the length of the email and deduct the 13 characters of the domain. Now we write the not like and specify the expressions. First we write the characters that are allowed. These are all the letters, numbers, underscore, dot, and minus character. In the beginning, we write the negation. Now we need to enforce case sensitivity on the domain part. In Microsoft SQL, this is done by the keyword collate. We take the right 13 characters of the email and imply the collate keyword should be equal to the domain. With this condition, we make sure that the domain is lowercase. Now let's run the query, and we successfully solved this problem in SQL. Now let's move on to Pandas. In Pandas, we use the standard Regex pattern. The beginning of the string should be any letter. Then we might have a letter or a number, underscore is allowed, dot is allowed, and the minus sign is also allowed. And this email should end with a domain. This expression we will save into the pattern variable. And we are ready to return the result. So we write the return keyword, we return the user's data frame, and the column mail should be matching with the pattern. We successfully solved this problem in Pandas. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? The SQL like operator or the Pandas standard Regex? Let me know in the comments.